Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. It's Igbe here. I am back with new remote job leads. We have opportunities with Rite Aid. We also have opportunities with Blue Cross Blue Shield. So we're going to dive right in. We are now over 5,000 subscribers. We continue to grow. Share with your family and friends. Share with your loved ones. Anyone you know is looking for work, please share with them. I'm always very excited to come on here whenever I see opportunities that potentially can help. We want to grow this channel to 10,000 by the end of the year, 10,000 subscribers. So let's hit that goal, guys. For those that are watching me for the first time, do not be a stranger. Hit the subscribe button. Just so you know, this is a platform where I provide unique remote job leads and directly on the company's website so that you can go straight and submit your applications directly to the HR team. If you have, again, any particular roles you're looking for, do let me know in the comment section. Let's dive right into today's video. So the first opportunity we are going to be exploring in this video is going to be with Primera. So Primera Careers, also known as Blue Cross Blue Shield, is looking for a credentialing specialist. This is a fully remote opportunity and it's a telecommuter role. Blue Cross Blue Shield is a health insurance company. They're looking for a credentialing specialist who's going to be responsible for executing credentialing policies and procedures for providers. So you're going to really be working very closely with doctors, provider offices, facilities, clinics, and so forth to make sure that they are providing quality care. A credentialing specialist really focuses on making sure that any certification or license that these providers ought to have, making sure that they do have them, making sure that they are not expired, that their compliance with different states regulators are in effect. So sometimes what happens is if a doctor sees a patient without a license, that organization can get in trouble, especially from a health insurance perspective, you can get in trouble as well. So Blue Cross Blue Shield is looking for this individual to kind of focus on that area of the business. For anyone interested, definitely check it out. What are they requiring for it? They are looking for a high school diploma or GED, and then 2 years of credentialing experience or just 2 years experience in a production environment requiring attention to detail. If you have done any type of auditing in the past, you've done data entry in the past, those require a lot of attention to detail. Those are the type of jobs they're talking about. Or if you are an individual, like you've been in customer service, but you've also kind of touched reports in some capacity, that would also be considered something that will fit into the description here. They're talking about experience working with Microsoft Excel and Word, someone who has experience with reviewing provider files or applications. That's a preference, it's not required. And also they do have on here 1 year of vocational training for healthcare and so forth. The salary range, national salary range, is between 41,000 and 62,400, and the national plus salary range is for places that have higher cost of living. So that is the first opportunity. So we're going to move on to the next. The next opportunity is a fully remote opportunity, and this is a document production associate, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And this is with Williams Leah. The salary is $27 per hour, and you do have all the perks and the benefits that come with it. You have health insurance, you have retirement plans, paid PTO. They have employee assistance program as well. You are going to be creating and editing different legal documents using different softwares. You're going to be transcribing different tapes. You're really going to be making sure that all documentations are actually reflecting what they should, that there are no errors in them, and then kind of making sure that they are uploaded in the right places, especially for storage, making sure documents are not corrupted, especially when they need to be referenced in the future. So kind of making sure at the onset that they are actually managed and handled properly. What are the requirements, the qualifications? They are looking for high school diploma or equivalent, which is GED. They are looking for minimum of 1 year document production experience, preferably in legal, banking, or large corporate environments. Someone who is skilled in Microsoft Office products, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so forth. Also someone who is very strong with keyboarding and typing skills, so your typing speed comes into play here. And that is pretty much it for this opportunity. So the next role we're going to be exploring is with CHCS Services Inc. They are looking for a scheduling coordinator, and this individual needs to reside in Idaho specifically, and this is a remote opportunity, but you do need to reside in that state. This opportunity is going to be fully focusing on how to ensure that whatever is going on within the organization in terms of scheduling people for assessments, kind of making sure that those are actually on the calendar of the folks that are doing these assessments. So kind of just coordinating different schedules for different providers, especially nurses in this case, making sure that they have everything they need in terms of scheduling patients on their calendars so they can go ahead and do the assessment. So this individual would be making outbound calls to complete assessment, scheduling, kind of making sure between the patient as well as the providers, this time works, this doesn't work, kind of coordinating all of that. So they are also expecting this individual to be a team collaborator, somebody who is very good and quick on their feet, someone who can handle high volume of calls. They are asking for a bachelor's degree, which is preferred, but it's not required, or a combination of education, training, and experience. So that is this opportunity. The next one is retirement support specialist, and it is with Ascensus. Ascensus is looking for a retirement support specialist. Just as the title implies, this individual is going to provide support to client services in the production management system, or the information data necessary to ensure compliance are being documented correctly and are also being loaded in the appropriate systems. This individual is going to come up with workflows to kind of make things work more efficiently. This individual is also going to be reviewing and creating different reports. So for folks that may be interested, definitely check it out. They're asking for you to have a bachelor's degree in business or equivalent work experience. They also asking for this individual to be someone that is very analytical, who's going to focus on data integrity, strong written and verbal communication skills, and so forth. For this particular role, even though it says remote Pennsylvania, I do want to point out that they do have on here as well remote. So even if you do not live in Pennsylvania, you can still go ahead and submit application for this role. They will still consider you. All right, so now we are up to the last opportunity, which is with Rite Aid. So Rite Aid is looking for a representative level 3. This is a tech service type of opportunity. It's a tech support role, as you can see on here, remote United States, which means you can live anywhere in the US. You do not need to live in any particular state to be eligible to apply and potentially work this job. You're going to be making sure that any of the field system support associates, kind of making sure that those individuals are tracking all of the issues they encounter, and those issues become things that you turn into reports to allow for problem solving and also allow for improvement opportunities, right? So this individual is going to troubleshoot, resolve hardware, software issues in manner that minimizes downtime and eliminates customer inconvenience. Qualifications for this role: they are looking for high school diploma or GED, and then 3 years of experience in a retail system support environment. So meaning if you have worked retail in the past, they're asking for 3 years, and the salary range for this role is between $26 and $30 per hour. So definitely check it out. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.